Tracking UTM parameters in Outgrow is essential for anyone wanting to measure the success of their marketing campaigns accurately, especially if you're new to the software. If you're looking to track where your traffic is coming from or how users are interacting with your campaigns, stay tuned because this quick guide will show you how to do that effectively in Outgrow. Before we dive in, you can start using Outgrow for free today through the link below, where you'll also get exclusive bonuses, so don't miss out on that offer. Now, let's talk about UTM parameters. UTM, or Urgent Tracking Module, is a simple code you add to the end of your URLs to track the performance of campaigns. In Outgrow, you can easily incorporate UTM tracking into your forms, landing pages, and other interactive elements. By setting up UTM parameters, you can pinpoint the exact source, medium, and campaign that brought users to your content. To start tracking UTM parameters in Outgrow, you need to go to your campaign settings. In the campaign editor, look for the tracking section, which is where the UTM setup happens. This is where you'll input the UTM parameters for the URL you're using, which will allow Outgrow to track everything for you automatically. Make sure to include the source, medium, and campaign parameters, as these will give you a comprehensive breakdown of your campaign performance. For example, the source could be something like Google or Facebook, while the medium could be social or email. The campaign could be something like winter sale or any specific identifier for your marketing push. Once you've set these up, all you need to do is use those UTM tagged links in your Outgrow content, whether it's in an email campaign, a social post, or an ad. The great thing about Outgrow is that it integrates seamlessly with Google Analytics, so all of your UTM data can be viewed right in your Google Analytics dashboard. Tracking UTM parameters in Outgrow will not only give you insights into where your traffic is coming from, but it'll also help you optimize your strategies by seeing which campaigns perform best and what content gets the most engagement. If you're looking to make sure you're always in control of your data and driving the right traffic, tracking UTM parameters is a must. And with Outgrow's user-friendly interface, even beginners can start tracking like a pro. To make the most of Outgrow, be sure to check out the exclusive free trial available through the link below, which includes bonuses that will help you get started right away. With UTM tracking in place, you'll be able to track your campaigns and optimize them based on real data, ensuring you get the best possible results from your efforts. Remember, UTM parameters are vital for campaign success, and by using Outgrow, you're ensuring you can track everything in a way that's easy, efficient, and insightful. Don't forget, you can unlock your free trial and get started with Outgrow today by clicking the link below. This exclusive offer won't last long.